Hi there, students. An omnishambles. An omnishambles, a total disaster, where everything goes wrong, where everything's been badly organised. So it's just a total mess that results in disorder and chaos, particularly in politics. So chaos with potentially disastrous consequences, something that's been really badly mismanaged. Yeah, so the government is an omnishambles, something that's shambolic. Okay, it's just a total disaster. Yeah, it's mismanaged in every way. The event was a total shambles. I don't know, the beer tent burnt down. Then it started raining. And wild pigs escaped among the wild boar escaped among the people. Yeah, so it's a situation that is bad in every way, but it's particularly as a result of somebody who's done their job really badly. Yeah, I'm sure you've all had experiences of this where somebody has done they do their job really badly, the organisation. They don't spend any time doing it, and everything is just a disaster. Yeah, it's an omnishambles. They make a dog's breakfast of it. They make a complete mess of it. Yeah, it's a total disaster, total chaos. It's just complete disorganization. It's an absolute shambles, and omnishambles is where just people they've just got everything wrong. They've just got everything in the just mismanaged. They've mismanaged it totally. It's an absolute disaster. So yeah, the holiday was an omnishambles. Everything went wrong from missing the flight, the flight to not arriving at the hotel to discover it hadn't been built. Yeah, but this is related to complete mismanagement, a complete disaster, complete mayhem. An absolute foul up where nothing goes right. So yeah, the government's an omnishambles. The university administration is an omnishambles. Yeah, the budget was an omnishambles. The organisation was an omnishambles. Yeah, everything they seem to do is an omnishambles. Everything seems to go wrong. Yeah, they just can't seem to get anything right. It's something full of mismanagement, blunders, miscalculations, just getting things wrong, getting everything wrong from the start. Yeah, so an omnishambles. It's not good to be involved in an omnishambles, a fiasco, a perfect storm, a clusterfuck as well they use. Okay, so it's just a total mess. Yeah, the kitchen in this restaurant is an omnishambles. I'm surprised more people don't get food poisoning from it. So, origin. Okay, this is a neologism. This actually was first coined by a BBC political television show, The Thick of It. And this is where this phrase was first introduced, an omnishambles. And the origin, well, omni, all, and a shambles is a disaster. Originally a shambles was the place where they used to kill and cut up animals for butchers. Yeah, they'd kill the animals and then cut them up. Although this word shambles, it comes from a Latin word, scamillium, scam them a bench or a ridge or something like that. Okay, so an omnishambles. Now, formality. It's a good question. I think I'm going to give it a 4, maybe a 4.5 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, in a semi-formal writing, but don't use it in something very formal. So, I'm lucky. The video wasn't an omnishambles. I didn't do all the wrong things. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Omnishambles.